Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 23 Hawley Street, Unit 3, and this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the 3rd floor in Worcester, Massachusetts. And I just want to start out by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So that's the door to the front hallway. You come up through there into the unit, and once you get in, you're just greeted by this very, very open space. Some kind of construction on the building to make this floor plan possible was a really great idea, because I almost never walk into a Worcester apartment and have this much space in front of me. So it's really, really nice. Like I said, it's renovated, so most of the finishes in here are brand new. And very well kept, very well in order. Hardwood floors going throughout the unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to go around, give you the best idea of the dimensions and the space that this place has to offer as I can, just by going in all the corners and everything, just kind of going over some of the things to talk about with this apartment. Baseboard heaters are very nice and efficient. I've known them to be more efficient than like radiator heat for a good amount of the time, so it's really nice. Just trying to spend a good amount of time in this living room, just because it's really can't stress enough how open this feels. It's a big square box. It's even bigger width-wise than length-wise, and it's pretty long. So really great to see that in here. Got the pump for this DC inverter up there, which is controllable by that remote, which is mounted to the wall, which is very cool. And then this is the living room. So just as open and big and nice as the living room was in this kitchen / dining room area, there's easily a space over here where you can put a dinner table, big round table for people to eat breakfast, dinner, any other things that you might do in a dining room. This place has it split up with how they have the kitchen utilities here too. So got the range hood with the stove, stainless steel sink. So yeah, and then there's also this open window here. Double wide window, almost a triple wide window, depending how wide the original window was. So lots and lots of light. Really, this whole place gives off a vibe of it like floating. Like it's on the 3rd floor, and it's very wide, so it just feels kind of cloudy, if that makes sense. So if you're a person that likes open spaces, definitely gonna like this apartment. This is the 1st bedroom over here. So on this side of the apartment is this bedroom, and then the other one over there. And so we're gonna go down the hall and see the other ones, but this is room number 1. Lots to like in this room. Very nice wide closet, pretty big open space with some racks that come which are modular, so it makes it very easy to kind of organize the stuff that you would be having in that closet. Baseboard heating in the room as well. Individually adjustable thermostat right there, which is really great to see. Actually, the thermostats for the baseboards are going to be on the walls as we go through, so that's what you're seeing. Here's the hallway. So bathroom on this side, bedroom on this side. Let's check out this bedroom. Bedroom is really nice in here, so you can see kind of the light that's coming through with this one. And 3rd floor, so we see the angle of the walls kind of come in too, but at a pretty nice, steep angle, so it's still like the whole wall is there. And with this room, you could probably easily fit a queen size bed plus a desk, maybe a dresser as well, depending on how you have it set up. So yeah, very nice in there. Then as we keep going through, we're gonna see, this is the bathroom. So this is the only one right now that I see which has this very, very nice vanity mirror. It's a little bit more true to the style of a modern vanity mirror, where it has the lighted around the rim. So if you like to use the mirror, anything like that, it's just good enhancement to make that a lot better. And it's over this nice, another granite style countertop, a little bit different pattern from the one from the kitchen, but this granite pattern here, it looks really nice. And then, yeah, a lot of the fixtures are in really great condition too, all white. Very little kind of like wear on any of those nice shiny fixtures. So that's the bathroom. Oh, also a good amount of space in this one. Pretty wide for as far as a Worcester apartment will go. Sometimes Worcester apartment bathrooms can be a little bit cramped. And not every Worcester apartment will come with this. It's kind of a dedicated laundry room. So you have racks for the linen. People call them linen racks, but it's really just racks for any kind of storage. It's going to help out with the laundry. You have the 2 machines already installed here, so you don't have to do any kind of labor to get them in. And one of them is top loading and one of them is side loading. So really great. That is right next to this bedroom. Now with the other units, I would probably call this a master bedroom. It's because it's right next to the laundry room, so you got ease of access there. And this is this room. So very big window in the middle of this room. And then you can see the baseboard and stuff here. Probably a queen size bed with a dresser, desk in here set up as well would be okay. I would say definitely come take a look and make sure at the showing how this would kind of fit with some of your furniture that you bring. But this is definitely nice third bedroom. So if you come here, there's a group of people that have the different bedrooms. It's going to be nice to figure out just which one works for everybody based on how they are, because they're all a little bit different, have their own little bit of character, but all very, very well done as far as the finishes with the renovation go. And once again, if you have any questions about this or any other vacancies that we have for rent, you can go to nexuswor.com/for-rent. And that goes to our vacancies page, so you can see all of the places that we have listed and set something up with the leasing agent today. And once again, this was 23 Hawley Street, Unit 3. And this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.